How to log out YouTube account from other devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can log out your YouTube account from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log out your YouTube account from other devices, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Your YouTube account comes from your Google account, so if you want to remove your YouTube account, you have to go ahead and then log out your Google account from those devices. In order to achieve this process, all you have to do is open the YouTube application first. Then you can just tap your Google profile photo from the top right hand side of the screen. And then you simply want to go to the option known as Manage Your Google Account. Then just go to the option known as Security. And when you come to security, if you scroll down, you'll find all these options where you'll also be able to find the option called Your Devices. Under Your Devices, you'll be able to see Manage All Devices. So you can tap the Manage All Devices option here, and then you'll be able to see a list of devices logged into your YouTube account. Select an account that you would like to remove, and then just go ahead and then tap on the Sign Out option, and then just tap on the Sign Out button again, and then you'll get successfully signed out of these devices. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then log out your YouTube account from other devices. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.